Hi guys, welcome back on board of Crypto Cruiser. It's me, Chris, and today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and where we're heading in the immediate short term. Am I still bullish for the Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Are we still going to 68,000 today? Um, and also, we're gonna talk about the chart analysis that I gave you. So basically, let's just start on the 50-minute chart. What I'm seeing. Apart from the bullish megaphone pattern, some can say it's a diamond bottom formation, but also on the immediate short term, I can clearly see on the 15-minute chart that we have an ascending triangle pattern. It's right here, setting up high lows and high highs, and I think it's gonna break out and pretty much the target is from 61,800, yeah, around 63,600. So we're gonna take this high, and something like that potential is gonna happen. But let's just zoom out a little bit, and I think we're extremely bullish, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is just my personal opinion, and I think we're heading today or tomorrow, and we're gonna start testing prices of above 67, 68,000. This is just my personal opinion, and look at it. It's a pretty identical, you know. Um, I mean, I'm really interested to see how it's gonna play out, especially compared to this chart pattern that has been predicting every single move for BTC, as we can clearly see. Um, so I think we're somewhere around here. Yeah. So today I'm anticipating to hit prices at least at around 66, 67,000. Um, let's see how it's gonna play out. So why I'm following this chart pattern? Because I've made so many successful trades. I'm not just gonna ignore this chart pattern that has been predicting every single move. Look at this drop down. I've predicted it around here. I've said from 66. I anticipate Bitcoin to start going prices below of 60,000, and then a final wash wave to shake off all the weak hands and to test prices below 50,000, and we actually went 49,000. Then I said a huge bounce back. I mean, you can just turn back some of my videos, everything is there. How did I know that? Because S&P 500 was correcting. And what did I tell you yesterday? That I anticipate a huge bounce for S&P 500, and that's exactly what we did. Continuation of the trend, starting hitting all-time highs in the immediate short term. I'm not gonna be surprised if today we hit all-time high for S&P 500. But let's just get back to this perfectly chart pattern that I've predicted it. I said that we're gonna have a correction, ABC correction, a regular one, because along the way, no asset goes in a straight upline. We had once we established the bottom, we had the correction in November 2022 and December of 2022. Of March of 2023, we had a huge correction between the period of end of July and end of October of 2023, over 15%. We had another one in March, and of course we had another one in July. So ABC correction, regular one, around 10%, quite a big one, but nevertheless. And I said the V-shaped recovery, start testing price of around 5,650. We come back, we test this previous resistance line and twice resistance before. We turn into support, continuation of the trend, started hitting all-time highs perfectly. I mean, what do you want me to say, guys? To a T. So we're in a raging bull market. So I anticipate huge prices for Bitcoin as well. So I predicted this dump. I predicted the bounce back, the consolidation phase. As you can clearly see, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out that we've been following this chart pattern to a T. We had the local top, and I said from 65,000, I anticipate a correction to 57.58. That's exactly what we did. Then I said probably we're gonna form some bearish pattern, and we're gonna retest 55.54. That's what we did. And I said the bottom is not yet in. We're gonna test price of around 52. In the process, we formed a descending triangle pattern, a bearish pattern. We dropped down to 52. we took this bear trap at 57. We start hitting prices above 57, and from that moment on, I said we're moving into this bullish channel pattern and setting up high highs, high lows. Yes, we had a black swan event that I didn't anticipate last week, but but no one can predict the future. I don't have a magic ball. How come I know that there's gonna be a Middle East escalation? I'm just dealing with the charts I have, and they all scream bullish. Also, um, over here, I've posted around 20 warning videos from 23rd of August till 6th of September. I said I anticipate a huge downward momentum, and from here, from 65 accorded to 52, perfectly. Over here, I called the bottom as well. I mean, along the way, I don't know how many trades I gave you. Anyway, another trade here when I said we formed diamond bottom formation, continuation of the trend, and that's exactly what we did. Now I'm saying we have a bullish megaphone pattern on the 50-minute chart. Sooner than later, I think by today we're gonna start testing price of around 60, 66, 67, or maybe tomorrow. I mean, I don't know exactly on which day we're gonna go, but this is just my personal opinion. Of course, anything I say in this video is not a financial advice, it's for pure entertainment purposes. But before you do anything, do your diligence and make your own research. Zoom out, this chart pattern has been invalidated because of the black swan event, but technically speaking, if that's black swan event and we start bouncing the way we are right now, setting up high highs, high lows, and take off this local top at 65, then I would say that we're forming on the 4 hourly chart a huge ascending triangle pattern, which is bullish. And then sooner than later, once we snap out of it and we start testing prices of above 70,000, we can quickly go to 75, 76,000. That's all in the charts. Now, if we were bearish, I would say, okay, it looks this chart pattern looks bearish, but so far so good. Another thing, these markets can be very unpredictable. So we don't know if there's going to be another war in the Middle East or somewhere around the world. This can potentially rattle the markets. We're just dealing with the markets we have at this particular moment. So let's see how it's going to play out. I'm quite interested to see as well. So far so good. As I've said, we formed the diamond triangle pattern. Actually, I think on the 1 hourly chart, it will look a bit better for you to see. As I can clearly say, we have bottomed at around 59,000. We formed a diamond bottom pattern. We snap out of this resistance line, setting up higher highs. Right now, I think we're in a huge megaphone bullish pattern on the 15-minute chart. And potentially, if we snap out of it and we start, we go above 64,500 by today, I think we can easily go and test price of around 66, 67,000. This is just my initial prediction. Let's see if it's going to be today, tomorrow, or by the end of the week. But this is where we're heading. This is just my personal opinion. I mean, you don't have to spam in the comment section. You don't have to. Let's just how it's going to play out. I mean, anything I say in this video is not a financial advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes. But again, let me zoom out and let me show you how many times I've been correct and how exactly it's been playing out. So, I mean, I don't know. I think, I mean, I did well for myself following this chart pattern. I don't know about you guys, but so far so good. Again, this is not the financial advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes. And before you do anything, do your diligence and make your own research. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's see how this today, tomorrow is gonna play out. I put in the thumbnail that today or tomorrow I anticipate price of around 67, 68. So let's see how it's gonna play out. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos, for the support. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. I think there's a lot of, I can clearly see there's a lot of returning viewers. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Also, if you want to subscribe to my Patreon, it would be much appreciated. If you really want to support my work, you can get my crypto guidebook, over 60 pages filled with very useful information about trading analysis, market research, specific altcoins with 100,000x potential. and much more. I think it will be very useful for you for this bull cycle that we're in, to take full advantage. Once again, I really appreciate it, and we'll see each other later on. Goodbye.